When a video starts that way, you know what it is. It's something in the box, but we don't know yet, but we will. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I have this question. What's really going on with PEZ's website? Because they have these items on their website. Ta-da! We'll just set that anywhere. All right, here we go. So these are surprise eggs that were being offered for sale on PEZ.com. And when we look at them, chocolate made in Italy. So it's been imported for PEZ to sell. So I'm not sure if they have some kind of deal with them or what it is. But they have unicorns and dinosaurs. And we'll go ahead and open up this counter display. Very cool box. Collect them all! Ooh, which ones are here to collect? Wait a minute. Is that just drawings? I don't think the figures would look like that, but we'll see. Ooh, so much chocolate. We will choose this one here. And we will close this up and set it aside. And then we will open up the unicorns. And we'll choose one from the same exact location. Hopefully we don't get the same one, being that it's unicorns and dinosaurs here. All right. Which one should we open up first? Let's do this one here. 3 and up. Milk, chocolate egg, and toy surprise. What? So there's a chocolate egg. And there's the toy surprise. I was expecting this to be like a Kinder Egg. So, here is a pony. Oh, here on the back. Oh, these are pencil toppers here. That's what those are. There's the one we received. No, wait a minute. It has blue hair. There it is. Down here at the bottom. Huh. Let's go ahead and open up this milk chocolate egg. Italian chocolate. So, the Kinder Eggs, they'll actually have this inside of the milk chocolate egg. And I know, there's something to do with choking hazards and things like that. But, let's see what's inside the egg. As we break it. Whoa! Chocolate all over the place. Oh no! We'll try a little bit of it. It's not as good as Kinder chocolate though. Yeah, definitely not. So it does come with. Oh wow, that's a lot of information in a lot of different languages. We got 2 checklists. So there is that one. Oh, but let's look at the dinosaur. Ooh, which one do we want? Let's see if we can get a Triceratops. All right, and again, chocolate egg and toy capsule. All right, so we open it up. Oh, there's pieces of a dinosaur. And we will put our dinosaur together. Kind of wimpy looking dinosaur. I guess he's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. But he looks like he's smiling. He doesn't look very vicious. Ah! Even the unicorn is not afraid of him. But yeah. So that's what these products are that you see on PEZ.com. Chocolate eggs with little toy capsules inside. So now we know. So until next time.